Hi, hello friends. Welcome to Indian Tech Guru for you. In this video, let us learn how to install Android Studio and run the first program Hello World. So go to the Google search and type download Android Studio. Go to the second link, download Android Studio and App Tools, and then click on that particular link. It will be navigating you to homepage of Android Studio, and the latest version of Android Studio is Android Studio Electric L. So just click on this particular link, download Android Studio Electric L. Then you have to accept the license agreement. So enable this license agreement and click on download Android Studio Electric L. So it will ask you where to download. Either you can download in the desktop or in the downloads folder or any of the folder you wish. So I want to download in desktop. So select desktop and then click on save. The download time will take based on your internet speed. You can see here it has been downloaded successfully. Android Studio. So now to install Android, double click on this particular file. Then it will ask for security check. Click on yes and then click on next. So there will be two options. One is by default Android Studio will be selected, and the another one is optional Android virtual device. Enable the second one also, and then click on next, and then click on install. The installation completed. Click on next, and by default Start Android Studio tab is enabled. So just click on finish to start the Android Studio. So Android Studio has been started, and it is loading by default Hello World project. So as I have previously worked on Hello World project, and it will ask for sending usage statistics to Google. I don't want to send, that's why I'm selecting don't send. We can maximize the home page. This is the home page of Android Studio. So it will take some time to initialize first time to load the program. So based on your system's performance, you can see here there are two files, main activity.java and the another one is activity underscore main.xml. And you can see the output of the program, hello world, the windows provided by activity underscore main.xml. So however, if you want to see the output in a virtual device, initially you have to create a virtual device. So you can see in the tools, device manager will be there. This is the device manager window. Here you can select create device, and then you can select any of these phones which will be running on emulator. So better to select a phone which is supported by Play Store also. I will be selecting Pixel 4. Then click on next. So I have already installed the APIs for Android 11.0, Android 13.0, and Android 7.0. So initially you have to install by clicking on the download button. So as I have already installed, it is not showing download button for R, Tiramisu as well as Nougat. We can select any one of these images, system images, and then click on next. Then it will show the AVD name. The AVD name given is Pixel 4 API 30. So it is the default name. We can change this name if you want. Otherwise, keep it as it is, and then click on finish. Now a virtual device has been successfully created, and at the top right side you can see app and then device name. So this is the device we have created, virtual device we have created, and you can select that particular virtual device and click on run app. So initially it will take some time to load the emulator. Once the emulator is loaded, then your application's output will be displayed. Now you can see the output in the Pixel 4 API 30. So the emulator has successfully run the application and shown the output. So like this, we can actually install Android Studio and execute the first program. For first program, we need not write any code. So by default, the code will be provided by Android Studio. Hope you understand the logic. If you have still any doubts regarding installation of Android Studio, and if you come across any problems during the installation, so make a comment. I will be solving the problems by sending messages to you. Thanks for watching. That's all for now.